Hello, this is Shashikant, and in this video I'm going to draw an object drawing. It's a time-lapse video, and instead of just playing a background music, I would like to talk to you and give you some instructions and important tips which will help you in various fine art exams or entrance exams. So this is the object, a container, and I have drawn the outlines first with a mechanical pencil which I have recently purchased. This is Pentel, quite expensive. You can go for the cheaper one. All mechanical pencils are same, I guess, just like it is having a metal body, that's why it's a little expensive. As I told you earlier in my videos, it's really helpful to draw the detail, and you don't need to sharpen the pencils often and frequently, so you will save your much of the time. You can achieve a greater details with this pencil. And I'm going from HB to more darker grades. Even you can use H, so HB and H here with me. Whatever pencils I'm having, these are looking just similar, so I would prefer to go with HB and later move to the darker tones. I have drawn that, as I can see the object in front of me, and then I'm just shading it with the same pencil. So instead of shade all over, I have chosen to go one by one, like one part first, then another one, like that. It will be easier if the object is there and something written on it, so be careful and use the same perspective. Draw the lines for that if you want. And one more important thing I would like to share, if you are going for the entrance tests for BFA, and in that particular test, if you have this object drawing paper, never ever try to smudge it with any kind of stumps, or don't smudge your shading, or don't smoothen your shading with the tissue paper or earbud, anything like that, or with the cotton. It looks good, but eventually you will get very low marks, however smooth and fine your drawing is. If you want to get more marks in object drawing, do not use any kind of stamps or smudging object, or do not smudge your shading. Leave it like that. Whatever you can achieve with the pencil, that's fine. the second important tips I would like to give, at the end when you will complete your object, the more important thing you have to draw is the shadow. So draw the shadow for the object and then finish your drawing. After completing, if you have time, then look for the darker areas where you want to show or give little bit darkness. And just like that, I have completed this object drawing. Thanks for watching the video, and if you are new, please subscribe to the channel and please give me the feedback about the videos I'm making.